All right, Brian, we're going to talk a little bit about that right arm. We talked a little bit about it in the first lesson that we had. One thing we did in lesson 1 was a lot of pre-shot things. This lesson, we're going to talk a little bit more about in-swing. But at the end of the lesson, we talked about standing a little bit further away from the ball. Sometimes when you get too close to it, that right arm gets stuck in here. I'm sure you've seen that on your videos. It tends for you to stand up on it and flip it. And that's when you get those hooks. And what we're going to be looking here is the club path, right? 3.3 degrees. That was a really good one. You started at 1.8 degrees to the right. Since you had 3.3 degrees to the right on your club path, ball drew back to the target line. But I've seen today a couple that number gets up into the 6s. And you tell me when you get up into the 6s, we see that big hook left of the target that we're trying to avoid. So one thing that we're going to do is we're going to move you a little bit further away from the ball. And that's going to allow your right arm to get forward more so you're not stuck behind and flipping it. Does that make sense? Any questions on that?
I know what you're talking about.
Okay.
Just have to work on it on the video here.
Okay, let's see it. Good, now remember to keep that back nice and straight for me. Good. Good, that was much better. If we look at the video right here,
Go left.
that arm is definitely out in front of your body. That was very well done. Let's see it again. And look at that, that was 4.8 degrees. You even started it further right. Have you been really working on that grip?
Yeah, the face is better.
Good. Let's see it again. A little bit further from the ball. Make sure that right arm is clearing so you're not getting stuck and flipping it. Good. That's just starting out to the right, and that's that club face.
Trying to come back.
Yeah, I tried to. It's looking much, much better. You can see it in the video there. But what that's telling me is that that ball is starting far enough right, and I think a lot of that is your grip and your posture, that you're not standing up out of it. So that's good. Any questions?
No.
Great.